I'm going to show you how to create a three-dimensional braid. Start by creating that ponytail, which is going to be our second braid. Then we're taking 2 fingers, separating this section into 3, taking the right over the middle, and then the left over the middle. Now here's the key. We're going to separate a small section from the right piece and place it up and around the clip. Then we're going to add hair from the base like we would do our normal French braid right over the middle. Take a small section from the left, place it up, take your hair from the base, and go left over the middle. Again, take a small piece from your right section, place it up over the clip. Then you're adding hair from the base to your right section. Both of those go over the middle. So now we're just going to repeat this the entire way down. So as you can see, I'm creating a French braid, but every single rung, we're separating out a piece and we're just taking it and placing it above. You can always use a silver clip to attach those as well. Now, when you get to the bottom and you're done with the French braid, we're continuing the same thing by taking a small strand out of each section and placing it aside. So here's all our strands. I'm going to apply some of the Beachwaver Braid Balm. This really helps give separation and make it really easy with these complicated braids. You're going to bring down that ponytail we created in the beginning, brush it out, add some Braid Balm. Now I'm going to separate this with 2 fingers into 3 sections. So this is the top part of our three-dimensional braid. Right is going to go over the middle, and then the left is going to go over the middle. This is actually the really easy part because you're just grabbing those pieces you set aside, you're adding them into each section. So the right is going to get added to our right section. Both of them go over the middle. Then we're going to pick up the piece we left on the left, take both, go over the middle. So you want to continue this all the way down. On each rung of the braid, you're grabbing hair from the base that you had left aside. This is so cool because it actually creates a braid on top of another braid. So as you move down each section, you're simply grabbing those pieces that are already out for you to make it really easy to create the top French braid. I secure it with an elastic, and as you can see, it looks really cool just like this. But then what we're gonna do is go through those additional pieces we added to the top braid. We're just taking them one by one and opening them up to give it a lot of volume. This is what's actually gonna create this really cool cage-like double braid. As you can see, you can literally lift the top braid up and push it up and down. I love it so much. It's so unique. It's really cool. And it's just a way to elevate your French braid. So comment below if you guys tried it or tag your bestie who can braid.